One of the most mind-blowing predictions in tech today is that traditional coding, as we know it, will be obsolete in just 2 years. Yep, you heard that right. The thing that's been the backbone of every app, website, and game could be on its way out. And if you're a developer, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and sheer panic. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Traditional coding has been around since the dawn of computing, from assembly language in the 50s to the rise of high-level languages like Python and JavaScript. Writing code has always been about humans communicating with machines in a structured way. The way we code is about to change drastically, and it's all thanks to advancements in AI and machine learning. The same tech that's beating grandmasters at chess and diagnosing diseases is coming for our code bases. So, what exactly is happening? First up, let's talk about AI-assisted development. Tools like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI's Codex are already transforming how we write code. These AI-powered assistants can suggest entire code blocks, debug errors, and even write complete functions based on natural language descriptions. Imagine telling your computer, create a website with a user login system and a dashboard, and watching as it writes flawless code in seconds. It's not science fiction anymore. It's our reality. Enter the world of no-code and low-code platforms. No-code platforms like Webflow, Bubble, and Airtable are enabling anyone, yes, even your grandma, to build complex applications with zero coding knowledge. Drag and drop interfaces, visual workflows, and pre-built templates. Routine coding tasks will be handled by AI and no-code tools, freeing up developers to focus on innovation and strategy. The real challenge will be adapting to this new landscape. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, embrace the change and get ready to direct the future of coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.